it's Lee here. Welcome to day 11 of Gely Postcard Play, hosted by Ceri Griffiths. So we've got 31 postcards featuring a gel printed element for the month of July. So this is what I did yesterday for day 10. Love that one. Love the orange and the green. I'm getting a trend with ones I love. I've just realised that I'm going back to a certain colour scheme all the time. If I can find them. It's not so much on that one, which is one I love, but on that one, similar colour scheme. This one has got the orange in it. This one has got the orange and purple. So obviously I'm attracted to orange. Orange and green. Green was my favourite colour for many, many years. Let's get a card going for today. So I've got my cards already covered, my postcards in gel prints. So we go 3 shuffles, whatever's in this position is the card I'm going to decorate. If one drops out of the deck, then I'll be decorating that one. So it's this one, and it is, okay. And the reason I'm shuffling my cards is I don't want to play favoritism. Because there's some cards that I probably would put aside. You know, I'd pick them and then I'd put them back in the box. I wouldn't want to use them. So this one is actually covered in its grocery bag, paper grocery bag, and it was a runoff sheet. So one that I've been cleaning my brayer-off on, and I had actually written some stuff on there so you can still see the writing in some places. So I'm thinking maybe I should utilize that writing and create something around, I don't know, something a bit rustic. It's a bit different to the other ones because of the paper, and on the other side it's got a really big blob of paint, which I didn't realise was there. So it's not a nice smooth surface like the other cards are, but that's not a problem. Alright, I'm going to think about exactly what I'm going to do and grab my supplies. Start with my alphabet stencil. Cover the card with that. Actually, I've got this one here which I might use. Now I need to do it the right way up. It's pretty easy with this one because it's back to front. But some of them, the letters or the pattern, you can't tell which is the front, which is the back. But you get paint underneath your stencil, or go under your stencil, because there's an actual top and a bottom side of the stencil. So you can see, it's hard to, it doesn't show coming across the camera, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, it's fairly easy to spot. Okay, so I'm going to use white gesso. I'm going to use my Mankiol sponge. I'm just going to tear a bit off that. And hopefully I can get it to, yeah, that's what I was hoping it wouldn't do. I should have wiped some of the paint off the stencil, off the sponge, I should say. I'm not very good with stencils. Not with paint anyway, unless it's on the gel plate. I'm always getting paint underneath. Yeah, it should be working its way out a bit. I might do a couple of layers, and I might use a different colour and move it around, reposition the stencil. Okay, so we do that one. I'll dry that, and then I'm going to put a little bit of this yellow green in my white. Only the tiniest little bit, because I'm going to do a third layer with gold. Okay, make sure there's not too much paint on the sponge this time. And I'm going to move that to a different place. Try not to mess it up. Can't really see that, but I'm going to dry it. And now I'm going to do some gold. Okay. So I'm not going to do the whole card. I'm just going to do down one side, and I think I'll do the right side. I also want to scrape it over with this card, so this could be a disaster. So I just want to get a little bit more texture on here. I need some more paint. A bit like that won't move. I think that'll do. I'm not too worried about it not, you know, like some of the letters not being complete. That's fine. So I'm just going to carefully lift that off. Yeah, I like that. A little bit messy in some places. Actually, what I should do is I've still got a bit of paint on the edge of this. I'm just going to do the edge. Oops, that's a bit thick there. Okay, I'm going to dry this off. But you can see it's got like a really nice crusty edge around it. I'm going to put my number on. And I'm going to do it as like a matchstick count. So this, I think I said day 10 before, but it's actually day 11. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 1 to make 11. Just for something different. And I feel like it needs a little bit of black on it somewhere, but I'm not sure where. Maybe some black splattering. I'm just going to use some of this drawing ink. I'll water it down a little bit. I still haven't found my favourite brush for splatters. Or was this it? Might be. It's been so long since I've seen it. Could be it. Oh, that makes a good splatter. Yeah. That's just exactly what this card needed. And it will have to be dried a bit, and you can see how lumpy it is, and that is to do with that paper, that grocery bag paper. It's quite thick. But anyway, that's my day 11. Let me know in the comments what you think. Give me a thumbs up. You can share the video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you in my next day for day 12. I'm not sure what I'll be doing then, but I'll be drawing another card and decorating it. Okay, stay creative. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo.